This video covers questions 23 through 26 and explains the zero exponent property. So basically, anything to the exponent of 0 is 1, with the exception of 0 to 0. So anytime you see it to the exponent of 0, you're going to write an answer of 1. So even though it's a really large number with variables and all of this, the answer is still just going to be 1. X to the power 0 is 1. 15 to the power of 0 is 1. Oh, this is the video that shows questions 26 through 31. Now this one we have more than just 4 to the power of 0. So 4 to the power of 0 equals 1, but then we have a plus 8, so my final answer would be 9. That's it for the zero exponent rule.